Hello, Habibis. If your kids just forcing you to build the PC and let them learn like how to build a PC, this is for the future proof. Mean like they will show if they are showing their interest to build the PC. So this young man really want to build his PC by himself. So we are just here helping him to learn everything how to build a PC. So how's your experience and how we are treating you?
Very nice. And I already built one before, but it was slightly different because it was AM5, not LGA 17.
So this is the LGA 1700. This kid has a basic knowledge about everything. So guys, if you are interested to build your PC by your own self and want to learn, just come to DXB Gamers or Gamers Tycoon and build your PC with your own hands. Thank you.